Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G60S, and I'll show you how to enable call waiting on this device. So first you should go to the phone application, and on the right upper corner tap to the more icon. Now just tap here to the settings, and here you will see the calling accounts section. Tap there and go to the settings. Now here, as can you see, we got the additional settings section. Tap there, and as can you see, our call waiting is deactivated now. And just to activate this option, tap here once on the switcher, and that's it. So, and then if you just want to turn it off, tap here again on the switcher, and no more actions. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.